Another 21 F250 Lithium Gray Covered Edition epic build coming to you. Let's go. We're cruising around in the Lithium Gray F250 Covered Edition, leveled on 37s. One of the baddest trucks on the road, no doubt. You know, back when I was playing baseball, the Oakley M-frame sunglasses were so fire, they were so popular, and now they're still popular, but the kids, my boys on my ball team, my son, they all like the big lens now. Oakley's got theirs, so I had to rock the Oakley to show the boys I'm still hip and can hang. Y'all are gonna love this truck. This sucker's a beast, boys. Let's go. Y'all, that reflection in the mirror gets me every time. Look at that covert. So y'all know we build superstars and movie stars all the time. Our trucks are getting seen across the country, and for good reason. They are phenomenal in many different areas, but today I figured I would come to where you watch movie star and superstars at. Come to the AMC Theater right here in Bethlehem to review this superstar movie star behind us, an F250 Covert. Yes! So y'all have to stick around for this one because this truck is all there in every area. 2021 Akins Ford F250 Lariat Sport, Lithium Gray, Covered Edition, leveled on 37s. The color y'all been asking for, I've been asking for it. Ford, please give us a flat gray variant color that will just be a game changer for the Super Duty, and voila. We've done several in this color scheme of different styles of wheel and tire combos and beyond, but one of my favorites right here. I love the Lariat Sport in that you also automatically get a lot of components the way they need to be. You get the black mirror caps, you get body color door handles, black side badges, black front grille, body color bumpers front and rear. Inside the headlights, we don't have to tear them apart and paint them because they're already ready to roll, y'all. So love the way that they've done as far as listening to consumers and doing great packages from the factory. Love that. And then we did our Willie magic. So up front, we did the rigid 30-inch Radiance light bar up front. And this is the Z-Road mountain bracket. So if you look on the website, it says it only works up to like a 20-year model, but it works even for a 21. So just know that is a great mounting system to incorporate a slim, discreet light bar right there on the front. Looks so big and boisterous coming down the road, gives you added lighting as well. And then this lower valence, as you'll see, is so long. This looks awful, y'all. It looks way too long. It just takes away from the athleticness and the, you know, just the overall bad to the bone theme that these trucks need to have. So that's definitely something that we've done a lot here in the past couple of years, trimming that to take care of that issue. Level kit wise, we're 2.5-inch ready lift coil spring level kit. Up front, we got Fox shocks, replacements for front and rear, as well as a Fox steering stabilizer. There it is. It's 98 degrees out here. It is the end of July 2021, and it's steaming out here. I know it's partly the truck, but it is definitely hot out here today. Let's check out under the hood. Oh yeah. So to cap it off, we did the S&B cold air intake. We feel this is the premier way to go as far as cold air intakes for the Super Duty option. Your intake inlet is much larger than any of the other competitors, and it's definitely pulling direct cold air from this location as well as underneath your fender there. So you're already at 475 horsepower, which is jaw-dropping, but even more jaw-dropping is 1,050 pound-feet of torque, which is incredible. These trucks have so much power, so we don't really suggest doing any kind of tunes while it's under warranty or deletes, which is illegal, y'all. But just doing a little nice exhaust and cold air intake really just kind of gives you next level benefit without sacrificing warranty. And then our wheel and tire combo is a classic, but it looks so great on anything, especially this build here. 22 by 10 Fuel Maverick in gloss black and milled, negative 24. So the negative 24 offset gives us some lip action. We've got about a 4.5-inch lip there. Love the gloss black and milled as well. 37, 12.5, 22, boys and girls. You can't lose them 22s now. I told you. Back in the day, I said we're gonna make 22s the normal wheel now. And then I said the 24s, we gotta run it. Now we're doing 6s on the 450s, the 40s on everything. Y'all, I love what I do. I love it. So the MT tire really makes this truck what it is too, because that mud terrain tire aggressive stance really is the way it should be. I mean, you got a Lariat Sport, big, bad, beautiful truck. You could have threw ridge grappers on there or an all-terrain or a different tire. It still would have been a great truck, but this really makes a statement. Like, I know I'm gonna have a little bit more road noise, and I know that it's not gonna give me quite the mileage that I could get, but who cares? I want this look. I want the capability. Yes. We incorporated power running boards too, y'all. So it has a nice factory black step bar, which there's nothing wrong with it, but you can't tell me that removing that board and putting a power board on there makes the truck look so much taller. And obviously, you know, you open the door, it drops down 3 inches lower than the factory board, so your entry and exit convenience is just improved greatly. So love that. Nice seal plate there, Super Duty. And on the inside, while we're here, you got nice Lariat leather, and of course just a phenomenal overall interior. Great amenities, heated and cooled seats, blind spot monitor, and more. Also, we did, I love seeing that magic happen every time, y'all. We have paint protection film on your door edge seal, door handle, and door seal plate on the inside as well, front and back. Just gives you added protection overall. And then we got rear wheel well liners in the rear. And then look at this big boy right here. We got the MBRP 4-inch DPF back with a 5-inch tip. We've done different size tips. To me, this is my favorite. Actually, this is a 6-inch. We typically run a 5, but the 6-inch just looks that much better. But look at the wheel and tire combo. And our mild to wild scale, the negative 24 is definitely pretty much the biggest you want to run as far as a negative offset on this setup here. We did have to do some trimming up front to incorporate the turning radius, but no rubbing or scrubbing whatsoever now, and it was just minor inner fender plastic trimming. And mild to wild scale, we're in that mid to aggressive range for this setup. We're sticking out a good 3.5 inches, but a great overall balance and proportion for such a big truck. 37s are a must. This level kit is money, and the wheel and tire combo just matches. So you notice that we are sitting perfectly level. We are doing this because we have a 4-inch block in the rear. If you do this a 2.5-inch level kit up front, it could appear, because the front hood line is slightly taller looking than your truck bed line. So look right here. Now you can tell what I'm talking about. The hood line is a slightly taller than your bed line up there. So we combat that by doing a taller block in the rear, and it essentially does make it a nice leveled stance. It may be just a tick higher in the rear, y'all, but the overall balance is perfect. And if you ever do tow anything, you're definitely not going to have that Carolina squat ugly look to it whatsoever. We have a Pace Edwards bed locker power retractable bed cover, because if you've got a power bed cover, it's the way to go on the elevated truck, because if you had a functional manual one, you would have to be on your tippy toes, or just it would be an aggravation to utilize that on a daily basis. The power is just a money setup for a lifted truck. Now out back, didn't do anything. That's the way the emblem came from the factory. Body color bumper as well. Did not do any paint work on the tail lights or the third brake light, but that may come. We got rigid D-series cube lights in the rear here. We got a separate switch for that. That just gives you, truck so big, y'all, you need some more lighting out back. So great way to incorporate that. It's right there in that flush mount system from Rigid, best in the business. We love them. A good look at the Fox shocks in the rear. And window sticker time. Here is our addendum from Ford. Pause there to see all the info on this bad boy. And then here is our Covert Edition package upgrades. So much goodies, so much value. Now let's check out some great before shots of this Lithium Gray 250. The Lithium Gray, I love this color. I know you all do as well. You've been asking for it from us and from Ford for such a long time now. And it looks kind of black from this angle, but let's get some different lighting. And obviously you can tell it's a stock truck. We're front end heavy. We've got an ugly, pesky front valence we're gonna take care of. But the Lithium Gray color is that flat primer gray. Looks stunning, native to the Super Duties only, and gotta love that. You've got all the chrome already removed, so we're gonna dive into all of our upgrades. So we took a great platform in this truck in the stock form, a very elevated price point vehicle from the get-go, but we just had to add the correct components to make it a true Wild Willies Covert Edition right here at Akins. So the level kit, the suspension shock upgrades, the additional lighting, the paint protection film, window tint, WeatherTech floor liners, wheel and tire combo, bed cover, bed liner, wheel well liners, exhaust, cold air intake. We had to put it all in there to make it legit, y'all. So it's a right at $100,000 truck, but again, got no apologies, y'all. We have no apologies for this package because there's value in what we add. So building beautiful trucks is what we truly love here. Superstars, as I like to say, they are truly superstars. They're so rare. A rarity is something that you need to take advantage of in life because life is short. Indulge in something that's more unique and special to you, y'all. That's what it's all about, making custom vehicles for you great customers, and everything custom from accessories to shoe game to everything. Hang on, shoe game. So today I'm rocking the Vapor Max. These have the actual new style where you can release here and then pull in the back to tighten. And these actually were a gift to me from Kevin and Tina Foreman that built the phenomenal, beautiful F250 Reserve Tampa Bay Buccaneer Edition. Great people. Again, thank y'all so much. Thanks for watching our channel, as always. Thanks for watching this beautiful truck. If you stuck around to this end right here, I really appreciate that. But you got to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you can stay in tune to our daily videos, and keep positivity on your mind, guys, because all things are great when our Creator above is already taken care and paid the price for all of us. So thank you so much for watching, y'all. Another beautiful Covert Lithium Gray. Thanks so much. Peace.